Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I want us to learn how to introduce ourselves. So I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Swahili. There are 3 ways of introducing yourself in Swahili, and I'm going to show you all the 3 ways. And like any other language, Swahili has a formal and an informal way of introducing yourself. And today we're going to cover all the 3. So grab a notebook, grab a pen, and let's get started. Karibu. Before introducing yourself to anyone, it's always nice to start by greeting them. So you can start with a simple greeting like habari yako. Habari yako. How are you? The response for this greeting is nzuri. So they will respond and say nzuri. That applies to one person. Habari yako applies to one person. So if you meet a group of people, you are supposed to say habari zenu. Habari zenu. How are you all? Habari zenu. And they will respond and they'll say nzuri. Nzuri. After that, you can now start introducing yourself. So this is a formal way of introducing yourself. Jina langu ni Anita. Jina langu ni Anita. That simply means my name is Anita. So I want you to repeat after me, but this time include your name. Ready? Good. Jina langu ni your name. Jina langu ni your name. To ask someone his or her name, you can say Jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Good. So, jina lako ni nani? What is your name? The second way of introducing yourself, it is also considered formal. You can say Ninaitwa Anita. Ninaitwa Anita. That simply means I am called Anita. Ninaitwa Anita. And for this example, to ask somebody their name, you would say unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? So the literal translation of this particular sentence is, what are you called? What are you called? But in English, it's not common to say, what are you called? So if you translate it, it's just, what's your name? But the literal translation is, what are you called? Good. So last way of introducing yourself, which is less formal, is mimi ni Anita. Mimi ni Anita. That simply means, I am Anita. Mimi ni Anita. And for this particular example, to ask somebody who they are, you can say, wewe ni nani? Wewe ni nani? Who are you? Good. So those are the 3 ways you can introduce yourself to someone. So you can say, Jina langu ni Anita. My name is Anita. Or you can choose to say, Ninaitwa Anita. I am called Anita. As well as mimi ni Anita. I am Anita. Perfect. After saying your name, you might go ahead and tell the person where you're from. So to say where you're from, this is how you say it in Swahili. Ninatoka Marekani, for example. Ninatoka Marekani. That simply means I am from the US. Or another example, ninatoka Uingereza. Ninatoka Uingereza. I am from the UK. And to ask them where they're from, you can say, unatoka wapi? Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? Perfect. You can go ahead and tell the person where you live. So to say this in Swahili, you can say, ninaishi Texas, for example. Ninaishi Texas. Or ninaishi London. Ninaishi London. So now let me give you a quick review of how you can introduce yourself. So firstly, you can say, Jina langu ni Anita. Ninatoka Marekani. Ninaishi Texas. I want you to pause the video and try to introduce yourself using that example. Good job. The other example was, mimi ninaitwa Anita. Ninatoka Uingereza. Ninaishi London. So I want you to also pause the video and try and introduce yourself using this example as well. Good job. Now the final way of introducing yourself, which is less formal, you can say, mimi ni Anita. Ninatoka Marekani. Ninaishi Texas. Good job, good job. So these are the 3 ways you can introduce yourself in Swahili. We have the first way, which is formal, the second way, which is also formal, and the less formal way. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Kwaheri, bye bye.